Oh my God. Yeah, that. If you guys ever have to tow a 4Runner, make sure you go and grab that small little U-Haul trailer. It fits perfect. Now we got to take this thing home and we need to fix the brakes on it. Then maybe drive over some cars. I know my daughter's not gonna like that, but oh well. This would be my daughter's truck. If you guys remember back when I put the lift kit on this thing, the lift kit holding up great. Just so happens the left caliper is basically exploded, so we got to take care of that. I think we're developing a pattern here. I can't really put my hand on what it is. Very. Say hi to my soon-to-be son-in-law. Tell him you.
Hey, all you second-gen guys, no cracks. Do better out there.
That's right. Yes, they are. I have no idea what's missing. I mean, no brake pads and half of a caliper. I have no idea. No idea. See if I can even pull it off. Oh, yeah, oh, I can. Oh, look. Oh my God. Yeah, that rotor is done, and so is his brake caliper. Oh wait, they do have a brake caliper. Just one. Like a razor blade. Well, now that this side's complete, got to go over there and tackle that other side. Got to make a match. Now the parts are installed, but the next thing I need to do is I need to bleed these brakes, because that is the last step. Because I let all that air into the system by taking the brake hoses off, so that means I need to bleed it. And the way I can do it easy way, hard way, or difficult way. That makes sense. Easy way is grab yourself a partner. If I was completely by myself, yes, I would have to use my power bleeder. But if you got a partner, we're gonna make it easy. First thing you do on the bleeding procedure, you gotta fill the master cylinder up. No sense in bleeding something that doesn't have any fluid in it, right? Now Toyota's made it a lot easier for you to pour this stuff in because they have an access panel. They were using their noggin when they designed that. Anyways, gotta fill the master cylinder up. Number 2, make sure the bleed screws are closed. That would be these things right here. Make sure they're tight. Right, got my partner. And what he's gonna do is he's gonna pump it, and then I'm gonna say hold it, and then he's going to repeat the process. All right, pump it. All right, hold it. We're gonna crack the line here. And we should have something come out, but we don't. Well, we got a really bad air pocket, so let's do this again. All right, pump it. All right, hold it. All right, pump it. All right, hold it. Big air pocket. Hold it. Now it's time to do the world's strongest man competition, where I'm going to lift these 44s or 33s, whatever the hell she's got on these things. American forces. Watch me lift it. People think I can't because I'm old. I'll show you old. Oh shit. Here we go. Oh shit. That didn't go according to plan.